Guys, Walgreens is on fire this week. There's so many different deals and stacking promotions that you can take advantage of. I'm gonna show you how anyone can score $165 worth of products for $39 out of pocket. All I'm starting with is $5 in Walgreens cash. That's it. The rest we're gonna be earning and rolling, and I'm gonna show you step by step in this video exactly how to do it. So if you're a beginner couponer or you're a beginner to couponing at Walgreens, this is the absolute perfect week to get started. And if you're new, take a second, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel. Before we head inside, let me talk about the PG program and the PG rebate that are going on right now, so that way you can kind of understand and not get confused. So there's two different things going on right now. There is a P&G promotion going on. So in store, it's spend $45, get a $15 register reward, or spend $30, get $10. There's also a P&G Visa rebate going on, and yes, they're stacking. The P&G rebate is either spend $50, get $15, or spend $20, get $5. So only the select products that you see listed here are included in the Visa rebate. Plus, on top of that, you can also submit your receipts to the P&G Rewards program, get 50 points per P&G product that you purchase, and then when you reach 750 points, you can cash that out for a $5 digital reward, which goes towards your next P&G product purchase. So it's pretty much like $5 cash back, if you want to look at it that way. So we are going to be submitting for a $15 rebate, and I'm going to explain to you how I calculate that at the end. For the Visa rebate, it is your out-of-pocket subtotal after coupons and register rewards are used, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to share with you my receipts at the end. I did 4 transactions, all the different deals that I did, and exactly how much I paid out of pocket, so you can understand how to calculate your cost, because it's the last day of March, so we're finalizing our budget when we get home. And before we head in store, I'm hosting another free live coupon class. I'm super excited. This is going to be teaching you how to find deals on all the brands and products that you use, not just the free oral care that we get almost every single week, and how to save 75% on all of it using only your phone. I have not used a paper coupon in over a year. All of 2024, I didn't use any paper coupons. This year too, I have not used a single paper coupon, and I'm still averaging 75% or more savings. And I'm talking about out-of-pocket cost. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you. For the link to reserve your seat, go to this website here, or it'll be below for you in the description box. Definitely reserve your seat. That way you guys can attend. There's a Q&A at the end as well. So if you have questions, if you're struggling with something, even if it's not about like Walgreens or CVS, if it's just couponing in general about anything, rebate apps, anything like that, bring your questions, write them down so that way I can answer them at the end. So let's pop into Walgreens now, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of so many great deals today. Let's get started with the deals for transaction 1. So first we're going to do Venus and Gillette. They are buy 2, get a $3 register reward. I'm going to grab one of the Venus for $7.99 and clip the $3 off one digital coupon. Next, you're going to grab one of the Gillette razors on sale for $7.99 and clip the $3 digital coupon. Next, we're going to do the Head & Shoulders deal. You're going to grab 2 that are $6 each, and they're buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and you're going to clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. The last deal we're going to grab in this transaction is going to be the Crest and Oral-B. So you want to do the ones that are buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and they're $3.50 each. But for Oral-B, make sure that it's the correct one in the correct spot. So for example, this one is supposed to be Sensi Soft. This one is Advanced Sensitive. That is not the correct one. It's the single count of the Sensi Soft. I did find 2 over here. They're already in my cart. So grab 2, clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. There are some Crest products as well that are $3.50 that you could grab 2 of these instead. So mix and match whatever you'd like. So this is what your cart should look like for our first transaction. I do not have any register rewards to start, and I only have $5 in Walgreens cash that I can roll. So very, very beginner friendly. Total for all these products is going to be $34.98. So 3, 3, 3, and the 10 for the PG, which we're going to roll into our second transaction to keep our out-of-pocket costs today super low. So let's go and check out those deals. For our second transaction, we're going to be doing the Old Spice deal. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off. When you buy 4, you're going to earn a $4 register reward. So I'm going to grab 2 of the Old Spice Total Body. This is what my husband uses and he loves it. And we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Plus we can submit 2 on Ibotta for $1.50 cash back each. So the next part of this deal I have to change because my store is out of the DC version of the Old Spice deodorant. So that's gonna be the version in the printable breakdown. We're gonna pivot and I'm gonna grab these two instead. So these are on promotion. For spend 20, get a $5 register reward. So because I'm not buying 4 of the deodorants, I'm not gonna get that $4 register reward, but I will get the $5 register reward. So still gonna wind up working out. Plus we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon for this one. And you can submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Another deal you can do is on Olay. So these here are $6.49 and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So this can help track towards a PG spend deal. So this is now our second transaction. So total for all this is $53.96, but we have $20 in digital coupons. You'll pay $33.96, but then you're gonna hand the cashier all the $19 in register rewards from your first transaction. Now your out of pocket is all the way down to just $14.96, but keep in mind, you're getting $8 cash back from Ibotta. So your cash cost is about $6.96 for all these products. You're still gonna earn back the $5 register reward for spending 20 right here and a $15 register reward for spending 45 on P&G products that we're gonna then roll into our third transaction. Let's start on our third transaction. So first we're gonna grab the Crest that are $9 each, buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for this one, so make sure you have that clipped. Then we're stocking up on some diapers for my babies. I'm gonna grab one of these Pampers Baby Dry, size 4 and a size 5. Grab whatever size you want. You can also get the Swaddlers if you need, or you can get the Easy Ups. Those are included as well for the bags that are over here. Just clip the corresponding coupon. So I'm gonna clip this 3 off 2 digital because that's what works with the Baby Dry. I forgot to record transaction 3, so total for all of this is $39. You have $8 worth of digital coupons, plus you're gonna use the $14 in register rewards from your second transaction. You'll pay $17 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back $19 in register rewards, which we're gonna roll into our final transaction. So let's take a look at those deals. We're gonna be grabbing some laundry products and household products for transaction 4. Now we're gonna move on to some laundry deals. Now there is the separate P&G rebate, which is separate from the P&G in-store promotion for either spend 50, get a $15 Visa, or spend, I can't remember, 20, get 5, I think, whatever it shows here on the screen. The link to submit that is gonna be in the printable breakdown below in the description box. So one option you can do is on Gain products. These are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So grab one of these and clip the $3 digital coupon. Next, you can grab the Gain Liquid for $9.99 and clip the $3 digital coupon. Or if you wanna do the large Gain Flings instead, you can. Whichever ones you wanna grab, you're gonna pick 2. So these are the 2 I'm grabbing. Total is $19.98. We have $6 in digital coupons. You'll pay $13.98. Earn back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $9.98 for both of them, or $4.99 a piece, which is an amazing deal, especially compared to paying full price at Walmart. The last deal I'm gonna grab is on Dawn. So you wanna grab 4 of the ones that are on sale, 4 for $16. So the regular ones are sold out. The Power Wash is sold out as well. So I'm gonna grab these here, which is still a really good deal. There's no coupons or anything for it, but it does work with the PG promotion. So this is my last transaction that I'm gonna do. Total for all of these products is gonna be $35.98, and it does work with the P&G rebate. Gain is included and Dawn is included, so I'm gonna be submitting back for the Visa gift card after I get all of my receipts. So for that Visa gift card, it is your out-of-pocket cost after all coupons are considered and used, so keep that in mind when you're calculating towards the 20 or towards the 50. We have $6 in coupons here, so that'll leave me to pay $29.96, but I'm using the $19 in register rewards from the third transaction to lower my out-of-pocket cost. And if you have any Walgreens cash, you can use that as well to lower your out-of-pocket cost. That'll leave me to pay $10.98 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get back the $4 register reward here for buying the 2 Gain products. So let's go check out, see how everything goes. I'll let you know if I have any issues with register rewards printing. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to all the cashback apps and we're gonna calculate our final cash cost so we can write that in our budget and finalize out March. If you need paper products, here's a deal that you could do on Brawny and Angel Soft. So they're on sale for $6.99. Buy 2, you're gonna earn back a $3 register reward. So you can grab a Brawny and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then you're gonna grab this Angel Soft and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. So for both of these, you're at $13.98. Then you have $2 in digital coupons. You'll pay $11.98. Then you're gonna get back the $3 registry reward for buying 2 of them. That makes your final cost $8.98 for 2 or $4.49 a piece. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. I only had one slight hiccup, and it is on the second transaction I did. So these right here, when I scanned it on the app, it said product not found. And I've never seen these before, so I'm thinking it's because it's such a new product. I even searched on Walgreens to try to just see if this product was on it so I could check if it's part of the P&G promotion and stuff. I couldn't find it at all. So I was kind of flying in the dark to see if it would track towards it to get the $15 register reward. I only got back a $10 register reward for this one, so that just changed everything by $5. It's not going to make or break anything, but I was kind of flying blind and I wanted to test it out for you guys. I'm going to keep the breakdown in the printable breakdown below in the description box the same, the original way that I was going to do it if my store had the DC version products available, because that winds up being a better deal anyways. You can submit this to Fetch Rewards though. This receipt, you'll get $2 back for buying 2, one of the body wash and one of the deodorants. However, it did not catch this either, counting as a body wash. So I did have to submit for review on that. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up. So let me show you all of my transactions. Let me see which one I did first. I like to show you guys my receipt so that you know exactly what happens, how it works, the whole 9 yards. So the first one I did Crest. Nope, this one. Nope, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Sorry. So the first transaction, again, I started with $5 in Walgreens cash. That's it. So if you don't have $5 in Walgreens cash, it'll change your total by $5. That's it, which is amazing. So I did the Oral-B, if you guys can see this, the Gillette, the Venus, and the Head & Shoulders. Now this Head & Shoulders is not included in the Visa rebate. Only the Head & Shoulders Bare is included, so just keep that in mind. But the Venus and Gillette is included. Let me try to, there we go. So here's all the digital coupons that came off. I used my $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $19.94 out of pocket. Then I got back all of my register rewards, which I then rolled into my second transaction. So yes, the P&G register rewards are rolling, meaning you can use it back into its own deal and you'll still get another one to print, which is amazing. My second transaction, I did the Old Spice. So here's the Old Spice deal, and then I added the Olay at the end. This one I had to just kind of rearrange in store because my store was out of the DC ones. Here's that $10 PG register reward. Here's the register rewards for my first transaction. Here's all the digital coupons. Everything worked and came off. I was nervous about the $7 digital for that new Old Spice body wash as well, just because there was literally no way of verifying that it was gonna work. So I'm really excited that it came off. Then I rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $13.74 out of pocket. Then I got back all my register rewards. The $4 register reward and the $10 register reward is what printed. I also submitted to Ibotta and got $7 cash back on this transaction. My third transaction, I did the Crest and the Pampers for my baby. So here's everything. Again, the $10 register reward that I rolled. Here's the digital coupons coming off, the 3. The 2 $5 register rewards I earned from the previous transaction. I had $2 in Walgreens cash left because I think I started with like 7. So I used $2 in Walgreens cash. Paid $14 flat out of pocket. The Pampers does track towards the Visa rebate, but the Crest does not, I don't think. Again, just you'll look at it when you see it has a picture of every single thing that is listed. So there's that. And then my last transaction, this one, is the Gain and the Dawn. So the Gain is not included, but the Dawn is. So the only thing that I honestly do not know about is how it calculates in regards to if you have some products that are tracking and some aren't. I know it's your subtotal after coupons and register rewards are used, but I don't know how it works as far as counting towards the products that are included and not included, if that makes sense. For example, this one, the Gain and the Dawn. After everything, my subtotal is $13.50, but that includes the Gain products, which don't track towards the rebate. So honestly, I have no idea how that works. I'm gonna see if I can like email someone or reach out to someone, see if I can get some insight or do some research on that for you guys. Paid $13.50 out of pocket. Then I got back the $4 register reward for the Gain promotion. So my cash cost, I always figure it out on my breakdown. Bring your breakdown to store. I write down how much I paid out of pocket, minus my $7 from Ibotta, minus the $15 Visa rebate is $39.18 for $164.92 worth of products. A lot of the expensive products are products that we needed anyways. I resell as well, so I'll make the money back on those plus some. But we always need Pampers. I'm always looking for that. The Old Spice Total Body, my husband loves. He goes through that really fast. So that's something that we need as well. So that's why I grabbed those products. The Dawn I was actually out of. So super excited that we can stock up on products that we actually need. That's what I'm going to be teaching in that free live masterclass. So again, go to this website here to reserve your seat, or it'll be linked below in the description box so you guys can check it out. Reserve your seat, bring your questions, because I'm going to be doing a live Q&A at the end. So what I did as far as calculating for the P&G rebate, again, it's subtotals. The ones that have the check marks, all the products on that receipt fully tracked towards the P&G rebate. The two with the question mark didn't. So this one, I think I wound up paying like $19.94 out of pocket, but only the two razors tracked. So I did the $15.98. I don't know how that works. If you guys know how that works, please let us know in the comments below. Everybody read the comments. That way we can make sure that we're all on the same page, that we're doing it the right way. So adding it up this way, I'm at 60.44, and you have to be at 50 to get the 15. So I'm hoping that I will definitely get the 15 and it won't go all the way back down to the 5. I'll let you guys know too. Typically when you're submitting that P&G rebate, it will give you a response within like 5 days if it works. And then I usually get it pretty fast. I feel like 2 or 3 weeks it's in my mailbox. Now the envelope is like a blank white envelope. It doesn't say like from or anyone like that. So just be careful. Like don't just throw it out thinking it's spam, because I get so many spam freaking letters and stuff in the mail. It's super annoying. And I have almost thrown it out multiple times. So anytime you're looking for it, it is like a hard, like a card, like a gift card. So just kind of feel your envelopes before you throw them out to make sure that you don't throw this out on accident, because that would really suck. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me if you're excited about couponing at Walgreens this week, and I will see you next time. Bye.